Okay, we are back here in Metaltech, where we've been since 2015. So this is our main event of the year. Great to see manufacturing friends, existing customers and new ones. Monitor ERP is a Swedish company. We have served the manufacturing industry since 1974. This year we are excited to showcase more of new functionality when it comes to sustainability, which is a very important part for our customers to keep up competition.
Monitor ERP system that help the manufacturer and the factory companies to improve the Industrial 4.0 digitalization transformations. We also have this module integrated with the MES and machine integration system, which this will help the company to link real time of the data from the production floor and the factory to the enterprise level of the system.
This is our pilot production line for our MI. So it shows a sample of how the production line will work. So once the arm picks up the car and then it puts onto our conveyor belt, then it will go through the conveyor belt and then go through a sensor. So when it goes through a sensor, then it will pick up a output of approved quantity on our MI system. So if the thing is good, then it will be approved. Then the thing is not good, then it will be rejected. So our MI also, if the machine is down, it will also indicate that the machine is down. Okay. So take for example, if I will stop the machine right now, you'll be able to see on the system itself that it will turn red color and it's down.
With the Monitor ERP system, we were able to help the SME to manage the data, to collect the data, to analyze the data, and make a right business decision at the right time and the right place and also at the right environment.
We are here to understand your pain point and be with you along the way for improvement and moving forward.
As a software developer, I believe that our responsibility is always to ensure that our clients have a viable and operable solution from us. Therefore, we are always responsible in creating and making and ensuring that all of our solutions that we develop is able to cater to our clients, especially in the manufacturing industry. Our solutions that we provide to the clients are aimed to ensure that it can be capable of covering all kinds of angles.
This is an excellent platform for manufacturers to come and view in live about Monitor ERP systems. We have our G5 and MI presented as well, so they can really come and learn and see what are new technologies available in the market, and they can see how to improve their productivity and be more efficient in their productions and to be more competitive in the market.
We hope to help the SME through not only the ERP manufacturing system, but also through our sustainability functionality to help the SME with a very economic and very sustainable and also how to help the country to become a net zero country.
We're not just selling the product, we provide our solution. Customer happy is our successful.
If you want to know more about Monitor,
Please join us.
Join us
Join us
to learn more about Monitor.
See you there.